Lana had 14 pets. Some were dogs and 5 were cats. How many are dogs? The first thing I want to see you do is create a number sentence to match the story. And then I want you to solve from there. And here you have my number sentence to match my story. Lana had 14 pets. Some are dogs and 5 are cats. The reason why I put 14 first is because that's the first amount in the story. The reason why I put blank next is because it says some are dogs and we don't know how many, so I represented that with a box. The reason why I put equals 5 is because 5 is the last amount in the story. It says 5 are cats. Now, you might wonder, how did I decide to put a minus sign here? Well, the reason why I did that is because I started with my total. And when I start with the total, I know that I must take away to find the missing part. If I were to put a plus sign here and said 14 plus equals 5, that wouldn't make sense. Because if I add to 14, I should get a bigger number. But I see that we're going from 14 and we're ending up with a smaller amount. So that must mean that we are taking away. Now, how can I solve this problem in order for it to match my number sentence? I know I'm looking for a missing part, okay? So I'm going to start with 14, just like my number sentence does. And I know that I have to take away until I get to 5, because that's the amount that I'm trying to get to, so that I can find the amount of dogs in the middle. So now I'm taking away the amount of dogs until I get to the amount of cats. I'm going to go 14 minus 4, so I can get to a 10. 10s are easier to work with. So now I'm at 10. How do I get to 5 from 10? Oh, I know that 10 minus 5 equals 5. And now I'm at my 5 cats. I can stop now. I started at 14. I took away until I got to 5. Just like in my number sentence, you start at 14, you take away until you get to 5. Now, how many did I take away to get to 5? I'm going to look in the middle, box in the middle. This is the amount that I took away. That's the amount in the middle. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay, so in my blank here, I'm going to put 9. 14 minus 9 equals 5. So, how many are dogs? 9 are dogs. I want you to try that same strategy in your next number sentence where you have a missing part in the middle.